Dragon turtle symbolizes courage, fertility and support. Ideal placement: north or northwest areas of your home or office to attract great wealth and acclaimed success. Three-tiered tortoise is used for longevity, descendant luck, career progression and to negate bad intentions. Place in the living area of your home for attracting longevity and wealth. The cunning rat is a symbol of leadership. Ideal placement: as per Feng Shui theory, display it in the west sector. As per Feng Shui, this dragon horse symbolizes for prosperity, longevity, success, illustrious offspring. Place in the house or office in the living room near the main door, but it should not face the main door directly. Frog on elephant symbolizes strength, protection, wisdom, dignity, leadership qualities and courage. The ideal placement is in the entrance hall, but not directly facing the door. Mandarin ducks are believed to be lifelong couples. The ideal placement: placed in the southwest love sector. It's also popular to place in the couple's bedroom in the southwest corner. Dragon-headed tortoise with baby. This unique fusion of qualities of dragon and qualities of tortoise signifies supports good fortune, career progression. The ideal placement: on the work desk, or in the northeast sector of the room for creating best career luck prospects. Deer is symbol of endurance, grace and prosperity. The ideal placement: east sector to improve and protect health, or dining room in the southeast wealth sector. Boar pig remains calm in the face of trouble and can handle things. Place in wealth luck sector southeast as collector of money in the form of piggy banks. Dog is a symbol of protection, faithfulness and loyalty. The ideal placement: front door for protection, north sector for career, southeast for wealth, west for descendant luck, southwest for marriage/relationship. Owl is a symbol to attract abundance and career progression/academic success. Placed on the working table or study table where it can be easily seen during studying or working. Wealth god on tiger is believed to be most powerful and effective Feng Shui cure. Placing him in a prominent place in shop, office, place of business attracts more customers and business, resulting in higher profits and success. Resembles a strong, winged lion. Pixiu is an earth and particularly an influential and auspicious creature for wealth. You can display them in your money area, your lucky direction for wealth, or simply in a prominent area of your living room. Crane symbolizes longevity because of its long lifespan. If you wish to activate the health sector east of your home, place a crane in this area. The tiger is a daring person. It performs all tasks with excitement. The ideal placement: north sector of your desk or along the north wall of your office/at the main entrance. Phoenix has many incredible magical abilities, such as great strength, the ability to operate, and healing tears, symbol of strength and renewal. Place it in south corner of home. The phoenix is the celestial animal guarding the main entrance, or the front of the house. 2 running horses for fame, recognition, power, career luck, success and good luck. Ideal placement: on the work desk, or in the north sector of the room for creating best career luck prospects. Horse is a symbol of speed and loyalty. Place in the south sector of your home or office for fame and recognition, or the north career sector of your home or office. Trunk down elephant signifies luck and energy. The ideal placement: west sector of your home, front door for luck and strength, or as guardians of doorways for protection. Horse with coins and ingot represents wealth, good fortune, nobility, stability, and vitality. Place this horse in the south corner of the room or office to get mobility, bring you the desired fame, respect, and popularity. Koi represent courage and determination against adversity. Place in the living room of a household dissipates the negative energy of the family and prevents arguments and tension among the members. Eagle symbolizes success. Use it as a good luck charm for your business goals. Place it near the workplace or on the table south corner of fame and reputation, helping in setting the right alignment for auspicious energies to work effectively. Cricket. A chirping cricket in the house is a sign of good things to come. Ideal placement. Place in the kitchen or southeast wealth sector of your home or office. Pagoda on wealth horse represents success in education and profession. This auspicious symbol helps in creating new source of higher income and gain. Place on north and east direction of your study table or working table. Monkey riding elephant will assist you to triumph over tough competitions in this cutthroat environment of business places today. Place it in the north sector or behind you. Hard work will pay off handsomely. Flight. Atop galloping running horse for fame, recognition, power, prestige, success, and good luck. Place it on the work desk, or in the north sector of the room for creating best career luck prospects. As per Feng Shui, placing a round wish helps to attract lots of prosperity and good fortune. Keep a statue of golden around a fish with a coin in its mouth in the northeast or east direction. Feng Shui King Money Toad for business good luck. Place it in the southeast luck sector to attract wealth and abundance. Inspire a personal windfall by placing a three-legged toad on the southeast corner of your work desk. Laughing Buddha on elephant is a symbol of happiness and prosperity. This unique combination is very effective wealth placement. If bedroom or living room is in northwest, keep statue in northwest corner. If main door of house/office is in northwest direction/facing northwest, place it facing main door. The number 7 represents children in Feng Shui, so a set of 7 elephants is a good luck omen for people trying to conceive. The ideal placement of this lucky charm is in the bedroom. Dragon and Phoenix are the most powerful symbols of success and prosperity. Ideal placement: southwest for marriage/relationship luck. Welcome Cat. Menaki Nico Feng Shui lucky cat attracts good luck and fortune. The ideal placement: to welcome customers at business/cash register/east for health or southeast to attract wealth. Trunk up elephant symbolizes fertility and cure. Place in the north for career promotion or southwest for love or to celebrate a long-lasting current love. Feng Shui 3 galloping horses mean rapid growth and fast harvesting of solid ideas. Place it in the south corner/north or south of your home or workplace. The symbol of rabbit brings you good luck, happiness. Place in your bedroom for happiness, luck sector for other areas, such as the southeast for wealth and west descendants if you desire children. Dragon and running horse. The running horse with dragon is a reflection of confidence, control and vitality. The ideal placement: this Feng Shui remedy should be placed on the work desk, or in the north sector of the room for creating best career luck prospects. Dragon carrying a ball in its claws represents good luck, prosperity and career success. The ideal placement: placed in a variety of ways around the home or office. The best placement is on the east side of the room/office. Sheep or goat is a symbol of nurturing. The ideal placement: southwest sector of lawn of your home or business, can attract auspicious kite to your children when placed in the west sector. Dragon symbolizes power and wealth. Place at the front door to protect your home from burglary or the southeast wealth sector to protect finances. The monkey riding the horse signifies promotion and increment. The ideal placement: for career progression north sector, southeast for wealth and south for fame and recognition. Ox cow. The ox represents incredible strength. Place in any area of life you desire abundance, such as wealth sector southeast, career sector north or beside a cash register. Feng Shui Tortoise represents protection against bad fortune. The ideal placement: east luck sector to attract good health / place in the north luck sector for career success. Laughing Buddha is one of the most joyful Feng Shui symbols which brings good luck. It attracts happiness and fortune. Place it northwest side of living room or bedroom / place facing towards entrance or window for attracting wealth and blessing happiness. Wealth cow is used to fulfill all desires and to attract good luck. It can be placed anywhere on your office desk or display it in the southeast sector of your house. Feng Shui food dogs or lion's dogs are a protection symbol. Ideal placement: front of imperial palace and government offices, can be set on either side of your home / front door or business front entrance as well, and personal guard dogs. Swans are the symbol for love and romance. Ideal placement: master bedroom, place a pair of swans in the southwest sector to ensure a peaceful, loving and tranquil love relationship. Bat Feng Shui symbol of wealth. Place this in the southeast wealth sector of your home or office for business. Dragon Gate carp fishes represent their determination to swim against the powerful current of the river. According to Feng Shui, the north sector, which is the creator of career opportunities, is best suited for placement of Dragon Gate. Money frog on tiger represents the yin energy with protection, courage and strength. Place the tiger facing outside or the main entrance. Keep it in the wealth corner, that is, the southeast. Tortoise on elephant is believed to bring harmonious and successful life as well as longevity, strength and fertility. Place in the money area of your home for attracting wealth, such as southeast corner of your home or office space. The monkey is known to be very clever and talented and can outwit opponents. Placement: southwest is the optimum direction for the monkey. If monkey is your zodiac sign, you can place a statue in the west to bring fortune. Dragon head turtle carrying the education tower on its back is a symbolism of education, knowledge and concentration. It is believed that this tower with tortoise brings success in examinations and help to make a good future. Place it in your desk of study room or office. Feng Shui king money frog on wealth bed signifies prosperity, financial, business, good luck. Place in a home's energetic center of money. In classical Feng Shui, this is the southeast corner of your space. The blue rhinoceros is a great protection symbol. Place in the front door, on the shelf or other higher elevation, or in south facing at home, which is good for chi absorption and family harmony. Tribute horse are used to foster a good reputation and bring success. The best direction to place this horse is the south corner of a room or office to get mobility, bring you the desired fame, respect, and popularity. The snake is the symbol of intelligence and passion. Place it in the southwest sector of love and relationship, but can also be used in an area you wish to attract abundance or an inspiration of brilliance. The rooster represents courageous sign. They are quite bossy. The ideal placement: in your career sector north, fame and recognition sector south, your love and relationship sector southwest, so it can pack away any barriers. Buddha sitting on dragon turtle attracts money, wealth, prosperity, financial luck and stability. Ideal placement: if the bedroom or living room is in northwest, keep this statue in the northwest corner, otherwise place in the southeast corner. Ladybug. The bug brings love, good weather or simply luck. The ideal placement: you can use this symbol in any sector you wish to activate prosperity, luck. Victory horse is a symbol of career, success, victory, competitive advantage, new business, growth. Place in the south zone of fame and reputation is undoubtedly the location for placement of the victory horse figurines. The blue rhino and elephant are well-known Feng Shui symbols of protection. Rhino is a powerful symbol of protection against robbery as well as to counter the violent number 7 star in period. Place this object at your living room facing outside your door at home. For office, place in your reception area.